In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mobile view on Shopify. Mobile shoppers make up a big share of traffic, so a clear, fast design on phones isn't optional, it's essential. I'll guide you through the exact places in your Shopify admin to make practical, safe changes that improve how your store looks and works on small screens. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login and sign in using your usual method. Once you're in the admin, look at the left-hand sidebar and choose Online Store. This is where your theme lives and where you'll make visual edits that affect mobile. Open your active theme and click Customize to enter the theme editor. At the top of the editor, switch the device preview to mobile. This mobile view is your live sandbox. What you see here is a close match to what customers will experience on their phones. Keep it open while you adjust sections so you can see changes instantly. Now, streamline, remove anything extra that clutters the page or pushes important content too far down. Think about trimming duplicate announcements, oversized headers, extra slides and carousels, or long text blocks on the homepage. If a section doesn't add value on a phone, delete it or turn off individual blocks within the section. Reduce excessive spacing by lowering padding and margins in section settings, and simplify complicated layouts so text stays readable and buttons are easy to tap. Next, make images smaller. In each section, look for image settings and pick a smaller image size or a shorter height for banners and slides. Crop images to consistent aspect ratios so they don't jump around. When uploading, use optimized files, compressed JPEGs or WebP for photos, and lightweight PNGs or SVGs for simple graphics. Avoid massive hero images that take over the entire first screen. Aim for a concise banner and a clear call to action. If something breaks after you've edited the theme, don't worry, go to Online Store, then edit code. In the code editor, open the affected file and use the older versions drop-down to roll that specific file back to a previous state. This lets you undo a bad change without losing all your other improvements. When you're satisfied, click Save in the theme editor to commit your changes. Give the mobile preview a final scan for alignment, tap targets, and load speed. That's it. Your Shopify store should now be cleaner, faster, and easier to use on mobile.